Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of exited account on the application of Microsoft Teams. You click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here you will search about Microsoft Teams and you will click. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that we go to Play Store. Here on above here you search about Teams or Microsoft Teams app. Then you will announce the app and you will answer it again. So that's all. Don't forget to press the bell, like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.